Today is Wednesday, March 13th, 2019, and this is the Kubernetes CSI implementation meeting. Let's jump right into our 114 items. So for moving the CSI objects to beta, we're still working on some refactoring of the way that we initialize the informers. It's currently running into some integration test issues, so we're still debugging that. Next, I am updating the sidecars to use the new beta objects. I am working on updating all the vendors in the external provisioner to be able to get the new APIs in. I think I was dealing with a bunch of dependency issues, but I was able to get that addressed. So I think this is ready to go. Jan, did you have any more comments about this?
No, I think it's okay. Well, I will LGTM it and we will see if something breaks.
All right. I've been able to test it manually with the PD driver. I was not able to get host path due to other issues, but it's at least not crashing.
I tested it with host path today and it was quite okay.
Okay, I guess I was only testing it through the E2E stuff, and the E2Es they need some fixing, I think, but yeah. All right, so that should be good to go. Once that gets in, then I can go ahead and rebase my PR. And I think also, Jan, you needed this for other things too, right?
Yes, I want to use the new features.
Yeah, and I think Andrew also Deep also needed this for CSI migration. So yeah, this will unblock a bunch of stuff so that we can make forward progress. Last thing is the docs. We have, I think, all the Kubernetes.io docs are in. Is that right? Yes. So the only thing remaining is the CSI docs. And Jan, you have one PR out. I also need to create a PR for topology. And yeah, once we get all this in, then I think we can mark this item as mostly done. Oh, there's a few other things. Okay. A few more things. We're not quite there yet, but making progress. All right. Next up is inline volumes.
Yes, I've had to update the work that Kevin had started, the changes to the host path driver for support of inline volume. So I've been working on that, and I'm at a point where I'm debugging it against the actual inline volume feature. So I'm right now I'm getting stuck in some validation issues. So once I figure that out, I can make progress as far as what's going on. But I'm working on it.
Right. Excellent. So the documentation is almost ready, I think. I had one comment. If you can go look at that, and then I think the docs should be good to go.
I saw that, and I'll get to it today, and I'll ping you again for a last look. Then we should be good.
Awesome. Thank you. Next up is resizing. Hamant, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay.
Yeah, so I still have some work left on actually documentation. And I just got pulled in some other stuff. So I'll just finish this today. And then I need to update the PR with the the new feature gate documented. I haven't done it. And then the trivial resizing, I know. I think yesterday was deadline.
Deadline for what?
For documentation.
Yeah, the docs should be ready for review by yesterday.
Yeah, I need to update the docs PR a little bit actually, and then I'm reviewing the case of where the controller does not implement a resizing and it's just done on the node side. We need E2Es. I will LGTM the PR, but we need E2Es and more tests for that scenario because we don't have anything for testing that.
Okay. All right. Was that in core Kubernetes or in the sidecars?
No, it's just in sidecars.
Okay. I think that's fine. At least for alpha, I mean, we could just say if you don't support resizing, don't run the controller.
No, that'll be problem, right? Because we need the controller to run actually, and have it marked because the node side expansion expects the PVs to have the right size before node side expansion is attempted. Otherwise, node side expansion will not be attempted, and node doesn't have access to update the PV objects anyways.
Oh, so this is the case if the node expansion is supported but controller side is not?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, what if you just don't support resize at all?
For such volume types, maybe we could do that, but that's like we could do that. But I mean, that's what will happen. It'll just the research operation will get stuck. But we want to fix it. So there's a PR open, but it just doesn't have much testing with it. So yeah.
Okay, sure. I'll let you follow up with that.
Okay.
Cool. Thanks. Next up is migration. I think, let's see, David and Deep are not here. I think the main thing remaining for 114 is docs. And so Deep has a PR out and I need to go and review that. Otherwise, I think all the rest of the items are going to be tracked for 115. So I think we're almost done with migration. Ben is not here for raw block. I think it's a similar thing. I think just the docs are in. Okay. Docs are done. So we just need the CSI docs for it. Otherwise, I think these two items we're going to delay for 115. All right. Scaling external provisioner.
I'm basically waiting for a rebase of the external provisioner, and I will enable the work queues, and that will be it, hopefully.
All right. Awesome. Thank you. Patrick's not here. We'll skip that. Andrew's not here. Although we do have so one thing came up where an email was sent out saying that all the Kubernetes org images should try to rebase to this distroless static image. And I think, Jan, you have PRs out for all the sidecars?
All the sidecars, they don't care about the distro.
Yeah.
Well,
so this should be
all sidecars. The drivers themselves usually need some makefs or mount or something that's usually there.
I think that's fine. As in terms of like the product that we deliver as the SIG, we deliver these sidecars, and so I think that's fine.
There are a couple of them are merged. Most of them are not.
Okay. I'll try to run through these and so we can get them in. And then, yeah, I think the rest of these Andrew is working on. So
Yeah, I filled README updates for external provisioner today.
Okay. I'll take a look at that too. Cool. Thank you. And no one's here that's working on drivers, so we'll skip that. All right. Other than that, so I think that's all that we're tracking for 114. Is there any other topic anyone wants to talk about? All right, then let's end the meeting and call it a day. See you guys on Friday.
See you.